In the sacred town of Nathdwara, where Lord Krishna is worshipped as the divine child Srinathji, Aryan and his family came for darshan during a festival.
I've always wanted to see Srinathji's eyes. They say he smiles, without moving.
Mangala Darshan has not happened. The curtains won't open. No bog, no flute, nothing.
Not even the priests can explain it.
Why would Srinathji hide his face on such a beautiful day? Om Hrim Batukaya Nama.
Nathdwara during a festival? Even I don't miss this. But what's bothering the Murti today?
The curtain won't open, and no one knows why. A morning song for Srinathji, once sung daily by Vallabh Bhakta.
Ah, his favorite rag. It hasn't been sung in years.
Jagaranand Lala, Srinathji Ayorit.
Aryan, you sang with your heart. That's what I miss the most. People came to see me, but forgot to sing to me.
He remembered for all of them, Nathji.
And he brought a dog too. I like him. Here, not just prasad, a thank you.
We never found out who sang, but the Lord smiled today.
I think I saw him smile with his eyes.
Sometimes God hides not because he is angry, but because he misses being remembered with love. One true voice can open even the divine curtain.